Hey Norvin, hi Joseph, what is happening buddy? I have a couple of problems buddy. I have a couple of debts on my credit cards and I don't know how to get out of them. Look, here are two simple ways to get out of your debts. But remember, I said simples, not easy. But you can do it if you put your mind to it. Target one debt at a time. If you focus on all of your debts, you're going to feel overwhelmed. And if that happens, you'll feel like you're going to do nothing. To do this, you have two ways. Focus on the highest interest debt. And I think this method needs more willpower. But if you have this, you can do it. And the other method is snowball. This means that you paid off the car with the smallest balance first. Once you pay the balance in full, you take the money that you were paying on that debt and use it to help pay down the next smallest balance and so on. Hey, and you can follow Norvin Ramos' channel for more advice like this one.